guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. Hope you're all doing well and happy Sunday if you are just tuning in. If you are new to my channel, then please feel free to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So in today's video, as you can see, the braids have been gone for, I would say, yeah, like 2-3 weeks now. And so I washed my hair earlier today. And now it's time to style it. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys the style that I have in mind. I definitely want to go the protective route this week. So we're gonna twist this bad boy up into a protective style. And please make sure that if you do like this video to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. But yeah, let's get into it. I'll be using my Cantu coconut curling cream, some water, as well as some mini bobby pins, a butterfly clip, my satin scrunchie, and my hair tools. So starting off, I'm going to be creating my side part, and this is going to help me pretty much be able to create my diagonal parts. It's also a lot easier for me, so this is how I'm starting off. Making sure that I have a really nice deep side part over on my right side. Lies, my left. And then I'm just continuing that part towards the back. Grabbing that first section, I'm going to gather it all and secure it with my satin scrunchie. So this is why these come in handy, especially if your hair is slightly dry. They just don't snag and they help keep your hair in place. So now grabbing my Rattail comb again, I'm creating my first part for my twist, and as you can see, I've gone in a straight diagonal from that side part that I started off with. And once I have it to my liking, I'm going to begin with this first section here. So I'm spritzing it with some water, which is actually a water mix. It's just water with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm working that in with my hands. And this is going to make it a lot easier for my products to sink in. Then I'm detangling with my paddle brush, which is one of my new favorites. This was gifted to me by Kaleidoscope, so shout out to them. And I'm just lightly detangling my hair. And once I've done that, I'm then going to go in with my Cantu coconut curling cream. I'm taking a significant amount onto this section. Plus, my hair still loves this stuff after all this time. So I've just been going nuts with this product. And my hair turns out really, really great each time. Once I have enough of that product, I'm now going to be sealing with my oil. This is by the brand Bread, and it smells amazing. It's a new and upcoming line, and you can find them over at Sephora on their shelves right now. And it just smells so amazing. It's a really lightweight oil that just seals all of that product in just as I need it to. So now I'm going to begin my twist all the way down to the end. As we're getting closer to the ends, you'll see me that I'll apply a bit more product just to help seal in the ends, but this is the first twist as is. And as you can see, it's looking really sleek, and they'll be swelling up as I go. So now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on this next section here. I also didn't mind that the sections weren't all the same size. I wasn't really going for a super uniform look. I just wanted some bomb twists for the week. So spritzing my hair with my water and leave-in conditioner mix and working that in, then detangling with my paddle brush in order to get a smooth application of my products, then applying my Cantu coconut curling cream to moisturize my strands, and then sealing it all in with my Bread hair oil. Once all those products are on, it's time to twist. And as mentioned before, once I get closer to the ends, I just go in with a little more of my Cantu coconut curling cream to hydrate my ends and twist it all up. So you pretty much get the gist, and I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this all throughout the rest of my hair. All right, so this is my hair complete. And once I'm done, I had a total of 5 twists in my hair. You can see that the parts actually came out a lot neater than I expected them to. So I was really happy about that. And I also love just how moisturized and how chunky my twists look. So I was really happy about that. So moving on, I'm now going to gather the twists into 2 large ones so that I can secure my ends. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, is that I'm just grabbing those first 3 twists and getting ready to tuck them under. And the reason for this was just because I didn't want my hair on my neck this week. So I figured I would go ahead and do a little tuck and roll, like my mom would do it. Every time she'd be like going out or whatever, or even Layla here on YouTube. You can find her at Fusion of Cultures. She also does this a lot. Neffy Frofro is her Instagram, so you can definitely go ahead and check her out. But yeah, I was in a tuck and roll vibe, plus it was a really bomb twist day, so this is what I ended up with. So you'll see that once I twist them into themselves, I just literally tuck and secure it with some bobby pins, and I ended up with just 2 little like donut buns at the end of my hair to secure everything in place. Once all of that is set, of course, it's time for my satin scarf. Y'all already know the deal. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie that on and let my hair set overnight. So after several hours, or if you have somewhere to go, you can honestly let your hair set for an hour and it should turn out the same. This is pretty much what my hair is looking like, and you can see that my twists look really juicy and really bomb. Here I'm just wisping out my baby hairs to frame my face, and once I am done, this is the finished look. I love that it turned out really polished and really neat. I absolutely love that. I love how uniform my twists look and just how moisturized they turned out, and just how chunky and full and healthy my hair looks. So I'm definitely happy about that. It was a very bomb twist day. I was definitely in the mood for a style like this. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. We'll be trying it out. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.